Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm back with another awesome unboxing today. Today we have a brand new release here from Jetset Models. As you guys can see, we have the box nice and open here. Here we have a preview of Jetset Models' new barricades here. Jet Blast barricades, whatever you like to call them. Super cool. As well as the brand new GSE set. You get a variety of GSE in here, as well as connected baggage carts. How convenient is that? No more having to set them up every time. They're already connected. I love that. So definitely going to be ordering a lot more of these in the near future, guys. Let's get these unboxed. And of course, we also have the brand new terminal that they released that are now selling on Amazon. So link in bio, guys, to that. Super cool. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get the terminal out of the box here. You may be wondering, why are the jet bridges so big? Why is it the way it is? Well, these are made for the Daron Airplanes, the ones that you see at any airport you fly through. I think this is an amazing release because there aren't really too many airports or terminals made out there for the Daron products. So this definitely does take the cake when it comes to that. And you guys will see why in a minute. Yes. So 1 second here. All right, here we go with the Jetset Models new terminal here. Again, like I said, this is more for Daron Airplanes, but I don't know. I might take the jetways off of this just for more scale effect with the other jet bridges. But for now, though, as you guys can see, for example, here it is with the jet bridges here for the Daron aircraft. But super cool looking, guys. You guys get the idea. Also, this top just pop off. I did put a few the Jetset Models people in here, passengers. And you also have these clear windows here too, like I said, so you can see the aircraft. So you can get some awesome photos in here. I'm gonna put a bunch more people in here too, so that adds for real effect. There is a modeled area actually on this side as well. This part is glued in the middle there, so I don't know if it's like really meant to come off at all. You could take it off if you want, but it is modeled on this side too, and it is different. So again, this terminal is meant for like this to be rival drop off and this to be the gates, but I don't have like a normal Gemini Jets mat, so here it is with the layover layouts mat. But again, guys, link in the bio here for this amazing terminal on Amazon. This is super cool. I think more terminals should be like this, even into like the 1/400 scale. And again, this can be 1/400 scale too. Like it can just be like a larger windowed terminal. You know what I'm saying, guys? You can just add, like I said, you could just add different jet bridges too if you want. But yeah, these are for sale on Jetset Models Amazon site. So you can definitely go check them out, guys. All right, and here we have the new GSE. As you guys can see, nicely connected here. I really like that. Like, look at this, guys. We got multiple, too. Look at that. You got a variety here. Got some pushback tugs. Nice wide body tug there. We can even put this right here. And you got no problem here. Let's add some air stairs. As well as some loaders and some food trucks to the mix. So it definitely adds a lot of realism, guys. Yeah, you can. Oh, I love these little food trucks, actually. Take a look there, guys. And if you want, you can also add your very own Jetset Models ramp worker into the mix. Look at that. There's your golden shot, guys, right there. Maybe throw like a cone or two in the mix. All right, so now we have the GSE set out on the airport here, guys. As you can see. Jetset Models GSE with the Jetset Models terminal. You can also probably get a cool view if you look inside of this thing. I might actually put some lights in here too, so stay tuned for that, guys. I'm going to experimentate with this for a little bit though, but obviously I'm going to show it for what it is. But yeah, lots of potential here with this type of terminal, like I said. And I'll show you guys this side too with the other airplanes. Here's a closer look at the terminal in detail here, guys. Check it out. I think if you put like 2 or 3 of these together too, you can actually have something pretty cool. Lots of detail on the roof as well. Also, here's a good view with the fences up, as you guys can see. Super realistic here. You guys can get them up in the link in bio here, jetsetmodels.com, guys. Super cool. You can also see that these do rotate on the ends here. I believe they do adjust as well, so that's super nice. Here's a terminal on the other side here, flipped around. As you guys can see, we got the wide body planes at the gates here. And obviously coming in here, you can see the passengers in here. Not too busy today, but more are coming on the way. Super cool with these clear windows though. You can get some awesome pictures in there. Look at that. Super cool. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today. I'm showing you guys the new Jetset Models terminal here, as well as GSE and these new amazing blast pad fences. Super cool, guys. You guys can check this out at the link in bio for the Amazon storefront, as well as other Jetset Models linked below to jetsetmodels.com. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today. I'll also link layover layouts' layout below too, and all the awesome other creators out there. So go check them out, guys. Jetset Models links will be at the top because that's who this video is about. Super cool. Go check them out, guys. And I'd like to wish you guys happy collecting. Shout out to Jake at Jetset Models for the amazing work. I'm so proud of you, buddy. You guys are doing an amazing job. Can't wait to see what's going to come in the future, guys.